Hey guys. Okay, so you're probably like, Tammy, what are you doing? Well, let me adjust that. Sorry. Um, so because I've already curled it all, obviously, and I've picked some of this out, but I see people who now are curling their hair like this, and I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of like some pointers. So I have the Itsy Bitsiest curling iron. Shouldn't have a tip anymore. It's old. I've had it for a while, but I wanted to show you, this is how big of a section you need. Like you need an itty bitty little teeny weeny section, okay? And you just wind it, wind it, wind it. And that's what you want to do. So you want to take them very, very small. I wouldn't take them any bigger than this. And a tip if you want to wear this hairstyle for more than a few days, because it does take a long time to kind of get all of your hair curled like that, is to sleep in a bonnet. And you can put a little bit of hair oil when you get done. Yeah, even that section's a little bit, it's a little bit too big, but this is how I do it. Start from the bottom, like you normally would if you're curling all your hair, and then the itziest bitsiest little sections, just wind them around. Be careful not to burn yourself. And yeah, so I'll be right back. And just one more quick tip. So I'm wearing mine in the middle, so this is going to flop over. So I take this top section here and then I wind it towards the back. Okay, and that's how I do that. So it kind of cascades over that back part right there. All right, let me finish that up. All right, so then you're just gonna let them cool for a minute, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna break them apart. So just take them individually and break them apart. As far as like heat setting goes, I don't do what I do. I put mine on 400, but I wind mine really fast and I don't let it sit there. If you are a person and you just don't let go of that hair, then lower your settings. But I've obviously been doing this for a while, so what you're gonna do is you're just gonna break them apart. And then there you go. And then put some oil in it. So anyway, love you guys. All right, and that is the completed look. I'll add my oil later, and like I said, tonight when I go to sleep, I'll put a bonnet on, and that's how I do my little ringlets.
If you like Grandma's videos, then subscribe yet.